Hello everyone. This video is a follow-up to my Bethlehem star video. I had a few people that asked me to explain things through the video, and I'm going to do that in this video. The first thing I want to talk about is retrograde motion, and we're going to use Earth and Mars as an example, and how Earth moves around the sun and the relation that Mars has against the background stars that would be over here and how it moves. As Earth moves around the sun, it moves faster than Mars, and Mars appears to stop, go into retrograde motion, and then stop again, and then move into direct motion. This is just an optical illusion. However, this is one of the ways God shows us signs in the heavens. In my video, Bethlehem Star, it begins with the moon eclipsing the star Regulus, which is right in the middle of your screen. Less than a month later, we have a solar eclipse. Now, I did not show that in Bethlehem Star because it was not visible in the Middle East. In the upper right, you see a conjunction between Jupiter and Venus. A conjunction is just when two or more planets get close to each other or close to a star. This conjunction between Jupiter and Venus is going to start two different signs at the same time. We're going to watch Venus go down and get circled by Mercury the messenger, which is what the Magi saw to know that it was his star. And we're also going to watch Jupiter, which is the king wandering star. He's going to pass Regulus, the king star. He's going to go into retrograde motion, pass Regulus again, and then go back into direct motion and pass Regulus again. This part of the video is still in 5-day increments, but watch Venus and it'll come by down to the left-hand side of the screen and get circled by Mercury. Here is the same view that the Magi saw in the east during the daytime. These will be in 1-day increments. Watch Mercury the messenger circle Venus to let them know what star belonged to the king. Now that Venus has started the sign, we come back and watch Jupiter and what happens to Jupiter. Watch Jupiter come to a standstill as it starts into retrograde motion, and the moon will come by and eclipse the star Regulus. Here he says king again. And he says king again, and watch Venus come in and they'll make a conjunction right here at the end. Now once Jupiter and Venus have this conjunction, Jupiter's part of the sign is done and Venus takes over. Now during this time the Magi would have traveled all the way from the east to see King Herod, and he sends them to Bethlehem, and there they see the star when it stands in the sky. Here at the top center of your screen is the same conjunction of Venus and Jupiter, it's just from a different viewpoint. As we watch Venus move across the sky, it's going to go into retrograde motion right between these other two constellations, and it will look like it stands in the same spot. I have left out the final and most amazing sign in all of this on purpose. You need to go watch Bethlehem Star to see it.